This is how you can manage any of your plugins, themes or files on seekahost.app. First, let's go and find your site, whether it's on the PBN blog list or the WordPress site list. I'm going to go ahead to the WordPress site list. From this list here, find the site that you want to manage. I'm going to go for My AI to Go, and from here go to the blue Action Cog button. First of all, your plugins and your themes you can access externally from this section right here. If you click on plugins, it's going to take you to your active or inactive plugins. This is also a great way to check if you've had any problems and you think that it might be caused by a plugin by deactivating it from this page. You can also manage your themes by coming over to your active themes. This will show your current active theme or any of your other themes that you have loaded up. You can also activate or deactivate them from this page. Next up is file management, so I'm going to go to my WordPress site info list and I'm going to go ahead and log into the site. From here we're going to go down to the plugins and then we'll go to add new plugins because we're going to need a file managing plugin. I'm going to type in File Manager in the search bar and then come over and download File Manager. Of course you can use your preferred file managing plugin. Go ahead and install and then activate once it's installed. Now to manage your files you can come down to your WP File Manager. Here you can find all of your WordPress files, right click on them to make any edits, copy, duplicate, rename, or you can use the code editor. Here are the folders within your WordPress, and this is handy especially if you need to upload any files, things like for the Google Search Console whether you need to upload a file to verify your ownership, and you can do things like that by right clicking on the public HTML and then uploading the files straight to the root folder. So that's how you can easily manage any of your plugins, themes or files on your WordPress blog. For any more questions you can always come down and create a support ticket or use the live chat on any of the pages on our site.